What is meal prepping and why do it?
Meal prepping means preparing several meals at once, usually for a few days or an entire week. It saves you time, reduces stress, and helps you eat healthier. By dedicating a single hour to prepping, you'll have ready-to-go meals, avoid unhealthy last-minute choices, and save money by resisting takeout or vending machine snacks.
Can you really prep a week's meals in 1 hour?
Yes, with a smart plan and efficient strategies, it's possible. The key steps include choosing simple recipes, prepping ingredients in bulk, and using time-saving kitchen tools. By multitasking, for instance, roasting veggies while cooking grains, you maximize efficiency. Staying organized and sticking to recipes you know well further streamlines the process.
What should you cook for a week of meals?
Pick recipes that store well and reheat easily, like grain oils, stir-fries, salads, and roasted proteins. Use a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, and lots of vegetables. Choose versatile ingredients, like chicken, tofu, quinoa, and colorful vegetables, to create different combinations and flavors throughout the week without extra work.
How do you organize your meal prep session?
Start by outlining your meals and making a detailed shopping list. Once ready to prep, wash and chop all produce first. While one item cooks, prepare the next. Store meals in labeled airtight containers, separated by day or meal type. Cooling foods before sealing helps maintain freshness and avoid sogginess.
What tips make meal prepping faster and easier?
Use kitchen gadgets like rice cookers, sheet pans, and slow cookers to cook multiple items together or unattended. Buy pre-cut vegetables or time-saving proteins when needed. Clean as you go so you finish with less mess. Keeping staples like olive oil, herbs, and sauces on hand helps add quick flavor variety.
How do you keep prepped meals safe and tasty?
Store meals in the fridge in airtight containers, ideally glass or BPA-free plastic. Most cooked foods will stay fresh for 3 to 5 days. If you prep for longer, freeze some portions. To reheat, use the microwave or stovetop, adding a splash of water or sauce to keep things moist and flavorful.